Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 easy ways to make money from home this year. Yes, so guys, have you ever dreamt of turning your hobbies into cash? Dream no more. Let's go ahead and explore the fantastic world of side hustles and how you can reach your goals, your financial goals, and earn good money. The first one on my list here is Opinion Outpost. Yes, so head over to Opinion Outpost app or website. Yes. So guys, Opinion Outpost is another large survey website for various market researchers and brands. Yes, so it claims to pay out $390,000, yes, for more than 3 million surveys per month. And some users have also had opportunities to earn money from product testing through this app, through this website. So they watch online ads and get paid, and they also go on missions to answer questions or take photos of products in local stores. Guys, the average survey pays out a lot of money. I'm telling you, you can get up to 250 points the very first time, and you can redeem 100 points for $100 gift card. Guys, payout options include Amazon gift card, Target gift card, Uber, Apple, Domino's, Macy's, and other major retailers. The next website on my list here is focusgroups.org. Yes, so besties, focusgroups.org offers online studies, online focus groups, and in-person focus groups with larger payouts than typical online survey websites. Guys, this site is paying a lot of money. This site offers paid focus groups in more than 200 cities, and the average payout is around $50 to $200 for completing just one study. Some actually pay more than $1,200 for in-depth participation. Yes, I actually got a survey that paid $1,600. Yes, for a survey. So guys, I'm gonna spill all the tea for you guys. Don't even sleep on it. Some actually pay more than $1,200 for in-depth participation. Now, focusgroups.org is free to join, as all our survey websites, yes, on this channel, and you can browse survey listings or wait for targeted focus groups and surveys to appear in your email. Guys, payouts are made by Visa gift card or by check. Yes, so and this website has paid out more than $32.5 million to members. If you're new here and you have not introduced yourselves yet, go ahead and introduce yourself. I'd like to know you and meet you, where in the world are you watching from, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your massive love and support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the depths of my heart. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourselves as well. My name is Mariam A, based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, and entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share all things money. You know, here we're not here to sleep, but we're here to make money. We're making money this year. Okay, so guys, let's get right back into the business for today. The next website on my list is, guys, before we even go to the next website, for example, see, when you pull up a survey app like the one I shared just now, or a website, it can be worthwhile while you're hanging out with friends or watching TV or having time to kill in a waiting room. Maybe you went to see the doctor and you have to wait, or maybe you went to make your nails, you have a nail appointment or your hair appointment. While you're waiting, you can be making money on the side. You're welcome. After all, who wouldn't like to see a higher balance in their bank account? I mean, I don't know about you, but me, I love to see big money in my account too. So here are some best tips for taking online surveys for money. 5 tips I'll share with you guys are to avoid, of course, you have to avoid scams. Please make sure that you research websites before you join, because the online survey industry is rife with fraud. Yes, spend a little time on research before you hand over your personal information. In fact, don't hand over your personal information. Yes, in most cases, use a fictitious name. Don't use your address. Don't use your credit card. Don't give your credit card details. Don't give your social security number. Please don't do that. Okay? Thank you. And you can also create a special email address for the purpose of these surveys. Don't use your main email address so they don't bombard you with so much emails. Yes. So guys, while all these sites that I'm sharing with you guys on my channel are legit, many survey websites actually scam. So please be very careful. Skip some low-paying surveys. If you see a survey with a high time requirement and low payout, you may want to skip it and find something else with a better time to payout ratio. Make sure that you also create a dedicated email address, like I said, or filters. Yes, and you may get many emails from survey websites. So when you create a dedicated email or set up a filter that ensures that they don't club your inbox. Also, use multiple survey platforms, because only using one survey platform can limit your earning potential. You don't want to overdo it, yes. So sign up with a few trusted options helps you to diversify your income, and make sure that you cash out off me. I don't wait though. Once they pay me, I cash out my money into my bank account. So guys, please note, survey websites are not bank accounts, and there's no protection, because if you get hacked or the company changes their rules, or they shut down, as soon as you have a balance qualifying for a payout, it's worth clicking the button to get your reward instantly. The next website on my list here is IM. Yes, so EYEEM. Yes, next is IM is the stock photo marketplace that offers a variety of features, yes, for photographers. Photographers can actually upload their photos to the website and participate in photo challenges to earn money. IM pays 50% of each sale to the photographer, making it a great way to earn money from your photos. Moreover, IM has a referral program where you can earn money by referring other photographers to the website. And here is how to make money by uploading photos. Now, uploading photos can make money. To make money, guys, uploading photos to make money can be a great way to earn some extra income, or even turn your photography hobby into a full-time career. And here are some tips that you can follow to start earning money by uploading photos. The first thing you need to do is choose a platform. Yes, there are many platforms available for selling your photos online, like stock photo agencies, print-on-demand services, and photography marketplaces. Please make sure that you research the different options and choose the platform that best suits your style, your goals, and your style of photography. Number 2 is to create an account. Once you have chosen a platform, please create an account and upload some of your best photos. Please make sure that you read and understand the platform's terms and conditions, as well as their pricing and payment policies. Step 3 is keywords and categorize your photos. Please make sure that your photos are more searchable and appealing to potential buyers. Please add descriptive keywords and categorize your photos based on their subject matter, your location, and style. Step 4 is to price your photos. Please set your price for your photos. Yes, set a price that reflects their quality and market value. Also consider factors like usage rights, size, and resolution of the photos when setting up your prices. Step 5 is to promote your photos. To increase your visibility and sales, make sure that you promote your photos through social media, your own website or blog, and other marketing channels. You can also participate in photo contests, or even submit your photos to publications and media outlets. Step 6 is to continuously improve your skills. Keep improving your photography skills and learning about the latest trends and techniques in the industry. It's going to help you create more high quality and marketable photos that can attract more buyers and earn you more income. Finally, there are several apps that are available that allow photographers to earn money by uploading their photos. These apps actually offer different types of opportunities, like selling your stock images, licensing photos for use in marketing materials, and creating designs with stock photos. By choosing the right app and uploading high quality photos that meet the needs and preferences of potential buyers, photographers can earn a steady income from their photography skills. However, it is important to carefully read and understand the T&Cs, the terms and conditions of each of these apps, and continuously, of course, try to improve your skills and stay competitive in the markets. In conclusion, guys, apps to earn money by uploading photos are a great opportunity for photographers to monetize their passion and creativity. You don't need an expensive camera. You can use your phone. So long as you can edit, you have good editing skills, sweetie, you can sell those photos. Go ahead and do it and thank me later. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can actually get paid. Yes, so uploading just your photos, and of course that's it. So thank you all so much for watching all the way till the very end of Mariam. If you have not introduced yourselves yet, please do also introduce yourself. I'd like to know your major, where and what I'm watching from. And please, if you have not shared my video, please do this. Do that right now. And if you have not liked my video but is watching, do that right now. You know I'm rooting for you. Alright guys, thank you once again. I will see you guys in my next video. But till then, keep winning and keep sparking. And if no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I am super proud of you. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and go to expect, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.